another example. We want to change t of 0 to be hello. Okay, so here we have t of 0 equal 10.45. We want to change t of 0 to be hello. This cannot be applied because tuples are immutable. Immutable means that we can't change the value of an element of a tuple once it has been created. If we run our program, we will have a type error. Tuple object doesn't support item assignment because tuples are immutable. Okay, let's take another example. We want to concatenate tuples. Here we have tuple 1 and tuple 2. We can have a tuple 3 equal tuple 1 plus tuple 2. If we run our program, we will have tuple 3 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, then Ali 50, hello 100. All of them inside parentheses, all of them in one tuple. Okay, this is how we concatenate tuples. I want to show you something else. If I changed this tuple 2 to 25, for example, as an integer, and run my program, I will have a type error. Can only concatenate tuple to tuple, not integer. Okay? Take care of this. We can also return more than one value from a function by return a tuple. Let's see an example. We have a function called tuple upper name. We have a variable called name equal input. Please enter your name. So name will be a string because input function will return a string. This string I will convert all the characters of name variable from lowercase to uppercase. Then I will get a tuple from this string. Then I will return this tuple. Then we print the returned tuple from this function. Let's run our program and see. First, please enter your name. I will say Muhammad, then enter. Then we print MOHAMED, all in uppercase. Okay? Packing and unpacking of a tuple can be used for multiple variable assignments. Here we have a tuple T equal Ali 25 and Muhammad without using parentheses. If we print T and the type of T, we will see that T is printed inside parentheses and the type of T is tuple. Okay? For multiple variable assignments, we can use the following expression. For example, first name, age and last name equal T. This is the same as first name, age, last name equal Ali 25 and Muhammad. It's the same. Okay? If we print the first name and age and last name, we will see that first name is Ali and age is 25 and the last name is Muhammad. Okay? Here we will see that Ali for the first name, then 25 for the age, then Muhammad for the last name. This is the same as first name, age, and last name, Ali, 25, Muhammad. If we run our program again, we will see that the T is Ali 25 Muhammad inside parentheses, then the type of T is a tuple, then the first name is Ali, then the age is 25, then the last name is Muhammad. Okay? So we are done for now. In the next lesson, we will learn how to use lists in Python. So see you next lesson, and bye.